Hey guys, it's this guy. I'm here with my brother.
Hello.
Say your name.
Hi guys, I'm Lightning Pro.
Yeah, that is his channel. Go check him out. Subscribe. Like all his videos. Check out his Facebook.
Don't do it.
Just kidding.
Don't do it.
Okay, so we're gonna let him play some murder.
I never played this before.
He's seen me play it, like in my videos, but he has never played this, so this might be interesting.
Oh my god.
So, I'm gonna hand over the phone to him and tell him what to do.
Okay, what do I do?
Okay, so just click play game. X.
Whoa.
Click X. X. USA. Unless you live in Asia.
I think I do.
Okay. Now you go to server list.
This one?
Server list. And just pick one.
I don't know.
Whenever I pick randomly, I just go down and click.
No one?
Sure.
Connecting. Is that bad? Good. Whoa.
That's good. Okay.
So what do I do?
So this is good because you're starting with a game that just ended. So
With a pistol?
with a pistol. So don't bring out your pistol like right away.
Why not? How do I move?
Okay. With this over here,
Oh.
you just
It's like Minecraft.
yeah. Forget about the buttons.
What does this button do?
That's to shoot, but you don't have your gun out yet. Don't go.
What is this?
Just to jump.
Hey sir.
And don't press that other button because that brings out your gun. He has the knife. Get your gun out and shoot. Okay, you messed that up. Now you're spectating.
Oh, okay. I'm shooting.
That now the shoot button turns into like a scrolling thing. Now you get to scroll through all the people.
Who's a murderer?
The person who killed you.
I know, but like, where's the gun?
Where you died. Where you die, it shows a corpse. Where your corpse is, there's your gun. So, only bystanders can pick up guns and gun fragments. That's what they're called. And you need, like, I think it's 5 gun fragments to make a gun.
Just,
And
how did he not die? He shot him.
because he didn't shoot him. He, like, keeps on missing.
There's only 3 people left?
Jazza, which is the murderer, and now he's camping the gun.
Wow. Such
No, that's like,
what is that?
that's a gun fragment.
What do you do with that?
The bystanders can collect it, and if they collect like 5 of them or 6 of them, then you get the gun.
I
Now you're the murderer. If you see a guy with a gun, kill him first. Because you'll just want to eliminate like the biggest one.
Yeah.
So you could just eliminate the other lowest ones faster. Also, if you see someone by themselves, just like kill them, but make sure you're close to them first. Get someone shot. And also, if the sheriff, if he shoots a bystander, then he goes blind and slow. But that's not for very long. And he could still pick up the gun after he gets done being blind.
What happened?
He shot you.
Oh.
So now you're just a normal bystander.
Okay.
You need to get away from the murderer and make sure the guy with the gun doesn't think you're the murderer. So what I do is just hide from everyone else.
What is that?
That means everyone else is connected. Okay, that means you're the server administrator. That means you can choose the next map and stuff. Is it only you 3?
I don't know.
pick up them. And
It's 4 people.
okay. Well, he killed the murderer.
Bystander.
Okay, so you're normal gun then. If you see a guy with a gun, stay close to him, but not too close. See a guy with a knife, just run away.
Okay, I don't trust that guy.
Even if they're like going away from you, still don't trust them. That's what people do. Literally.
Oh, they killed me.
Jazzo.
Oh, that was easy for them.
You had to kill 2 people. Okay, you're the murderer. This is your chance to shine.
Don't tell anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Don't tell anyone. Alright.
Okay. How much people did you kill?
27,641.
That's a pretty high number.
You're a pretty high number. Hey. Did you kill that guy?
Go to them first. Or else you might mess it up. There's a guy behind them. Okay, he has a gun. Stay away from him. He tried to shoot you. No, he ran to you. Run. Okay. Okay, now he thinks that it's the other guy. Now let him shoot the other guy. So then he's blinded and you could easily get him. Just step back.
Like that?
Okay. Okay, you killed him. No, kill him. He's slowed and he can't pick up the gun anymore.
Cool.
Plus he was blind. And the murderer can't pick up the gun. Just press triangle or back.
No, not that. There you go.
You're the murderer again. So that's also a good technique to make the guy with the gun confused.
Bystander.
Also, if there's like another person right there, and if he's onto you, try to like run past them or near the other person. So the guy with the gun gets confused and tries to shoot you. But he fails and misses it and hits the other person. But in that situation, you just die.
Oh my god.
You're getting a 3rd chance.
I better redeem myself. So, what tips do you have for this? For being murder, bystander, or gun?
Don't die.
Obviously.
In any situation. I'm the killer. Okay.
I'm a traitor. Where is everyone?
I think he's auto-corrected. I know my traitor. I am.
If I take out my weapon, can I hide it?
You could take it out, but then other people would see it. That's a gun fragment. You could pick it up, but it doesn't mean nothing. That just deletes it. And that's good, because I don't think you could,
So I think they killed the other person. I don't know.
That's good if you collect the gun fragments while you're the murderer, because that, like, deletes them. So other people can't get them and can't get a gun. No. Either way, if they killed the bystander, then it would say there in chat. But if you're murdering and if you kill someone, then it doesn't say in chat.
Do you hear their footsteps?
If they're really close. If you have like all your volume up. Well, I'm just gonna run out of time. So like 2 or 3 more games. Go
This is like CS:GO.
collect that gun finally. Okay, there. No. I can't get that. Get a gun and shoot me in the face. There's another gun segment.
I'm just like out of this area.
You could jump down there and
Oh, there he is. There you go.
you won.
Yay. I'm good at this.
One ended now.
What? A 4th time.
One ended now.
Let's do one more game.
This is your last game. This is the only game that matters.
Yay. Indeed.
I'm bystander. He's lying. Shoot him in the face. Shoot him in the foot. Now everyone's like thinking it's you. So like, when is he not gonna be murdered?
Alright.
Oh, he's thinking it's you. I don't think he knows that even if he shoots a bystander, he can still pick up the gun. There's a little box there. You can jump on top of the little box and down top of the big box. Look. That guy's getting too close. If you want, you can change your sensitivity. It's lollipop. No, it's you. I think it's you. I'll bring out a knife. Okay. Well, that was a murder. And, hold up, let me just, like, exit out of the game. You're getting 2 more second tries. The exit. Okay. So, that's it, guys. Subscribe to that guy. I forgot his name. That one guy. That guy Barney. I'm kidding. You subscribe to Lightning Pro.
You almost forgot my name.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Subscribe to him. Like his videos. Like his photo. I don't know. Photos. You know, pictures. Comment. Subscribe. Like.
Subscribe.
Do everything good on this channel.
Yeah.
No bad. Please. I beg. And I'll see all you guys in the next video. Goodbye.